Alright, so I'm out here. Got about half of this done. And I'll start at the stop and see if there is any germination of that corn I planted 6 days ago. Corn normally comes up about 10 days, so not thinking I'm gonna see anything. But I'm checking anyways. We've had a few pretty hot days and some good rains, so there's always a chance that a couple of them might pop up. But with the hard rains, I can't really see where I plant it. And so I'm just aimlessly walking around, seeing if I see a little baby corn stalk. The one modification I did to the to the roller since the last video was I had to tap this and basically drill a hose through the side of it so I could fill this up full of water. That gave me, per my calculations, like 380 extra pounds of downforce. So, for example, it was bouncing around a lot. But here's one that I just picked off the ground, and it pretty much chopped her in half. I might have to go over this a couple times because some of these stalks and these plants are small, and to increase my chance of crimping them, I'm gonna have to go over it twice, I think. If it was tall like these, just hit it one time, that stalk would get 4 or 5 crimps. But the smaller stuff like down here, you know, it might just crimp the tip of it, and just the tip, and not the base of it. So yeah, I'm gonna go over this a couple times, and we'll come back. Alright, got it all crimped. I'll probably come back in a week or so, give you an update on how the crimper did, and then if any of that corn's up. So give me a week or so, see how it goes.